Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No house, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this repair. You will need a Phillips numeral Serra screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. Start by powering off your Asus UX530U train towel and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and lifting it out. This step is crucial for your safety. Now, locate the screws securing the screen bezel. There are typically 4 screws on the top and 2 on each side. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the screen bezel. Start from one corner and work your way around. Be cautious not to apply too much pressure, as this could damage the bezel. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. With the bezel removed, you will see the LCD screen secured by additional screws. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Remember to keep track of which screws go where, as they may vary in size. Next, gently lift the screen from the base. Be careful with the display cable attached to the back of the screen. Disconnect the cable by carefully pulling it out of its connector. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. Now, take your new screen and connect the display cable to the connector on the back. Ensure it is securely attached before proceeding. Once connected, place the new screen into the frame and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Before reassembling the bezel, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris. This will help maintain optimal performance. After cleaning, align the screen bezel back onto the laptop. Press it down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the bezel, ensuring everything is tight and secure. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your laptop to test the new screen. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen on your Asus UX530U train towel. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. You can also request a quote before any repair work is done. This concludes our tutorial on replacing the screen of your Asus UX530U train towel. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.